Good morning, students. How you are? I hope all are fine. In this class, I am going to start your first lesson. It means new chapter 2.1, The Girl on the Train. 2.1. What is that title? The Girl on the Train. So this chapter I am going to start in this period, in this class. Okay. What is the lesson here? The girl on the train. The girl on the train. It means the girl traveled in the train. Girl traveled in the train. Okay. See here. Before going to start, look at the page number 33. So starter windows. Starter windows. 2.1 is there. You have to look that. Okay. Look at statements. The girl on the train. The girl on the train. This is an interesting story by Ruskin Bond. Yes, this is an interesting story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Who wrote this story? Ruskin Bond wrote it. Interesting story by Ruskin Bond. The narrator in this story is a blind. In this story, the narrator, it means who is going to tell the story. Narrator means who is going to tell the story. We are calling him narrator. In this lesson, narrator was a blind. Narrator was a blind. See here. Narrator was a blind here. The narrator in this story is a blind man traveling on a train. Yes, he was traveling on a train. A girl who is also blind. Yes, who traveled with him in the same compartment. She is also blind. Who traveled with him in the same compartment, both are blind. It means narrator, then a girl. Is it understand? Narrator plus girl, both are blind. Okay, see here. A girl who is also blind boards the train at the station on the way. Neither knows the other is blind. Yes, they try to cover up. They don't show their weakness in front of others. They try to cover their weakness. They don't try to show I am blind. Is it right? That like they want to cover up their weakness in front of the other passengers or others. Okay. ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರ ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್. ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕುಡ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. They acted like what? A normal person. See here. Neither knows the other is blind through an interesting conversation between the two. See here. What's happened? The conversation. The interesting conversation or communication happened between two. It means girl and a narrator. So what type of conversation was going between them? See in the lesson. We get to have peep into the world of a blind. Peep, peep means kalanota. Peep. Peep means what? Kalanota. ಅಥವಾ ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡು. ಸೊ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ಕುರುಡ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್. ಕುರುಡ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಣಿಕಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳ್ಳ ನೋಟ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ 2.1. What is that lesson name? The girl on the train. The girl on the train. Okay. This story who wrote it? It was written by Ruskin Bond. So narrator was a blind. So in this lesson, even who traveled with him, so she was also blind, both they try to cover up. It means both are not ready to show their weakness in front of others. Is it right? So let's see what's happened. How was communication going between the narrator and girl? Let us see the lesson. I was traveling by the train to Dehradun. It was the first class compartment and up to Rampur. I was alone in it. Then a girl got on. The couple seeing her off were probably her parents. They seemed very anxious about her comfort and safety. The woman gave the girl detailed instructions so too how she would bear herself during the journey. She told her where to keep her things so that they were not lost. She bade her not to lean out of the window. Particularly, she asked her to avoid speaking to strangers. Look that. Here, Dehradun. This comes in ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ. ಡೆಹ್ರಾಡೂನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ನರೇಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆಹ್ರಾಡೂನ್. ವೆರ್ he was going? Narrator was going to Dehradun. This comes in Uttarakhand. Dehradun. The narrator was going to Dehradun by the train. How he was going to Dehradun? By the train. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅವನು ಡೆಹ್ರಾಡೂನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. I means narrator. You have to keep this point. I means narrator. I means narrator was going to Dehradun by the train. It was first class compartment. Yes, first class. First class, second class, sleeper coach. How the coach, how the classes in the railway. So that like the travel. It means narrator traveled in the first class. Traveled in a first class compartment. First class. Okay. The first class compartment and up to Rampur. Up to Rampur. Rampur, another place. Rampur, see here. Compartment up to Rampur, I was alone in it. Yes, in the compartment, no one with him. He was alone. He was single. Is it understand? He was a single. Nobody with him. Okay. I was alone. Alone means single. I was alone in it. Then a girl got on. After that, one girl got on. It means she get in. One girl came inside to the compartment. Who came inside here? Another one girl came inside. Then a girl got on. Got on means get in. The couple seeing afar off were probably her parents. Here, when you go to anywhere, how the parents will come to the station to send up you. Is it right? Whenever you go, wherever you go, the parents will come to send up you and give the instructions. Don't stretch your head to the windows. Don't come outside. Okay, don't talk with the unknown person. This like your parents give the instruction when you travel alone. Is it right? ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಆಲಿಮಟ್ಟಿ ಟು ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಲಿಮಟ್ಟಿ ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರನಾಗಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಪಲ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು her parents are there. The couple seeing are off. It means they are ready to send her. Coming there, send her. The couple seeing are off were probably her parents. The narrator was thinking, maybe those were her parents. Those were what? Her parents. ಅವ್ರ ಕಳ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮೇ ಬಿ. ಪ್ರೊಬಬಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ. ಪ್ರೊಬಬಲಿ means maybe her parents. He was thinking. It means narrator was thinking. The couple is there, na? The couple is the parents. Whose parents? Girl parents. He was thinking. The couple seeing her off were probably her parents. They seemed very anxious about her comfort and safety. They were worried. I don't know. Why they worried? They were worried about her because she want to travel alone. She want to travel alone. So for this reason, they were worried about her. Who were worried about her? Her parents were worried about her. Let's see here. Anxious means worried. Anxious or anxious. It means worried. ಬೇಸರ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Seemed very anxious about her comfort and safety. Yes, your parents also thinking when you are travel alone. Your parents also thinking about your safety or seat about you. They are taking care of you. Is it that like here also? Parents take care of her. Take care of her. Even so many instructions give to her. Let's see here. Comfort and safety. The woman gave the girl detailed instruction. The woman, it means her mother. The woman gave some instruction to her. What type of instructions that lady gave to the girl? Let's see here. Further, the woman gave the girl detailed instruction. Instruction means notice. ಸೂಚನೆ. ನೀವು ಏನಾರು ಊರು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಕಿಟಕಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ, ಕಿಟಕಿ ಒಳಗೆ ತಲೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? Your parents give instructions when you travel alone. So that like here instructions. Instructions means ಸೂಚನೆ. Instructions means what? ಸೂಚನೆ. Right? It means notice. Okay. What type of instructions she gave to her? Let's see here. How she could be there. It means when she travel, how should be there? How should be there? How should be act? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಯರ್ ಹರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಜರ್ನಿ. ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಜರ್ನಿ, ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ಹರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಅವಳ ವರ್ತನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಶಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ವೇ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಹರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, where should keep your belongings, suitcase, whatever it may be, where you should keep your things. So that thing also mother told to her, where to keep the belongings, where to keep her things so that they were not lost. Just observe that, don't lost, don't lose your belongings. You should keep the belongings with you. Okay, so is that like keep her things so that they were not lost. She bade her not to lean out of the window. Lean out means stretch out. Lean out means stretch out. Stretch out means what? Don't move. Don't stretch out your maybe head or hand or whatever it may be. Don't stretch out of the ವಿಂಡೋ. ವಿಂಡೋ ಕಡೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ತಲೆಯನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಔಟ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು ಕಿಟಕಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ, ಸೊ ಕಿಟಕಿ ಒಳಗೆ ತಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ತಾನೆ. ಇವನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಿಂಡೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಿಂಡೋ. Is it right? So that like give the instruction here. She bade her not to lean out of the window. Particularly, she asked her to avoid speaking to strangers. Even one more thing, her mother gave important notice, important instruction she gave to her. What was that? Let's see here. Don't speak with strangers. Don't speak with strangers. Stranger means unknown. Strangers means what? Unknown. Don't speak with unknown person. Avoid. You should avoid. Don't talk with him or don't talk with unknown person. Okay. Avoid. Avoid means ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅಪರಿಚಿತರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ವೆನ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರನಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್. As I was blind, I could not tell what the girl looked like, but I knew she wore slippers from the way they slapped against her heels. She laughed as she talked, and I liked the sound of her voice. Look that. As a blind, yes, narrator here was a blind. Narrator was a blind. On Kuruda. So he couldn't tell anything. The narrator was a blind, so he couldn't tell to anything to the girl. He could not tell what the girl looked like. Yes, how she looked. Because blind person can't see anything. The normal, when you see, yes, she is beautiful. She is a tall girl. She is a fat girl. Can you say? When you see. When you don't see, when you can't see, what do you say? Nothing. Simply blank. Everything is blank. Is it right? See here. I couldn't, it means he couldn't tell what the girl looked like. I know she wore slippers. Yes, when you wear the slippers, automatically you can understand. Yes, when you slipper sound. Yes, you told, yes, wore the slipper. ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ, ಶೂ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಲೀಪರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ರಿಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್. But I knew she wore slippers from the way they slapped against her heels. Heels ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಓ ಅವಳು ಸ್ಲೀಪರ್ ಹೈ ಹೀಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. They were slapped against her heels. She laughed as she talked. She laughed as talked, and I liked the sound of her voice. Here, look that. She laughed, smiled, and talked. And even this thing, who liked here? The narrator liked the sound of her voice. Simply, the narrator liked her voice. Simply, what he liked here? He liked her voice. Voice ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧ್ವನಿ. ಅವಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅವನು? ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವನು? ಅವಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾನೆ. See here. Are you going to Dehradun? I asked her as the train pulled out of the station. I must have been sitting in the dark corner because my voice startled her. She gave a little explanation and said I didn't know anyone else was here in the compartment. See here, look what happened. Are you going to Dehradun? Are you going to Dehradun? Who asked here? Narrator asked. Who asked this question? Narrator asked the question to the girl. Are you going to Dehradun? Who was going to Dehradun really? Narrator was going to Dehradun. When that lady was sitting in the compartment or was sat in the compartment, yes, the narrator asked her where you are going, or are you going to Dehradun? The question asked her. Are you going to Dehradun? I asked her as the train pulled out of the station. As the train moved out, it means run out of the station. Station ಹೊಂಟಿತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಂಟಿತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿದವನು. ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೂಡ್. Pull means what here? Moved. Okay? Out of the station. Okay, moving out of the station. The train pulled out of the station. I must have been sitting in the dark corner. Yes, the travel said. I have been sitting in the dark corner because my voice startled her. When I asked her, maybe scaring. She was scared. She was scared. Anjirbodu. Maybe she felt shocked when I asked this question. Because my voice startled her, she gave a little explanation. Yes, she tried to give explanation. She gave a little explanation and said, I didn't know any else was here in the compartment. Yes, I didn't know. I didn't know anyone else was here in the compartment. Yes, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. I too didn't see you at first. I said, but I heard you come in. Yes, I didn't know you anyone. ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I didn't know anyone else was here in the compartment. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋರಲ್ಲಿ I didn't know anyone. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I didn't know anyone else was here in the compartment. I too didn't see you at first. I said. Yes, I said. It means narrator said, even I didn't also see before. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. I too didn't see you at first. I said, but I heard your came in. Yes, I heard. When you came in, I heard because your slipper sound. Because I know how I listen your, I heard your slipper sound. Then only I understood you came in. Okay, see here. I heard you come in. I wondered if I could be able to prevent the girl from discovering that I was a blind. I thought to myself, if I keep to my seat, she will not perhaps know of it. I wondered, this narrator wondered if I could be able to prevent. Prevent means cover up. Prevent means cover up the girl from discovering that I was a blind. It means he did not try to show I am blind. He tried to cover up. The narrator tried to cover up. He did not try to show his weakness in front of the girl. Is it understand? Artha agatala? So let's see here. Discovering that I was a blind, I thought to myself, it means himself, if I keep my seat, she won't perhaps know of it. Okay. I keep to my seat. It means you try to sit on his seat, then she won't perhaps know of it. Maybe she don't like to sharing her ideas with him or anything she did not like to share with him. She will not perhaps know of it. Where narrator was going. Maybe that thing she didn't want to know. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Is it understand? Okay, this much completed. In the next class, I will continue. In the next class, I will continue. So, homework. What is the homework? Read the lesson and collect the hard words and write their meaning. Maximum, you try to write English to English. You have to write English to English meaning you have to write. Okay. See you in the next class.